Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do what's inside my diaper bag. Um, I would do what's inside my purse, but I don't really use one, only sometimes, so I'm gonna do this. It's gonna be a mess, so beware. So I bought this bag. I have a book bag, but it was too heavy, so I bought this one. It matches the car seat and the stroller, so that's why I bought it. So first we have some wipes. I have a whole bunch of diapers. I have my son's size and my daughter. And then I have this thing to put when they change, diaper changing pad. My daughter's little jacket. I have a burp cloth. It's messy in here, y'all. Since I moved, it's been all over. More diapers. Another diaper. I have a onesie, just in case it's she. Oh, nope. This is a used onesie that needs to go in the wash. I have a bib. Some little mitts. She really hasn't had to use these. We don't really go out like that in the winter. Oh, look! I found my son's little Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig! He's right there. Bliss Tex. I love this stuff, which I'm going to leave out because I'm going to use. And I found his little dinosaur. A little trouble pieces. Edison! Edison! Look! Dinosaur! Bar soap because I put it in the bag and I forgot all about it. Oh, I have these little essential stuff things. This is the Honest Company. This is a shower gel and a shampoo, and then body lotion. Excuse me, can you don't sit down? And then powder. I haven't used any of this stuff. This was in a little baggie, but my son, not a baggie, like a little compartment thing. My son's toothpaste, some Johnson body wash. I just have that stuff in there just in case I need it. You never know. I have boogie wipes, the one that's not scented. Love these. Especially now, I can actually use it. No, I'm just kidding. I have foundation on, so I can't really use that. All my foundation will come out. I have another bib. This actually was my son's, but I saved it because it's like unisex. Another bib. Some socks from trampoline place. Another pair. I have a Cyber Quest, which is from Mohegan Sun Arcade. A pad. A headband. I have a Denny's restaurant receipt. Some panty liners. Some trash. One sock. Let's see, do I have anything else? Oh, some Vaseline with shea butter and some not wipes, tissues. So that's it for the inside. It's all emptied out. Now we're gonna go to the front, which I do have my antibacterial wipes. You gotta have those with kids' hand sanitizer. Some more hand sanitizer. Y'all, I don't play when it comes to being sick. I know I'm sick now, but I don't play that shit. A Bliss Tech has like cookie crumbs. Ooh, this is so gross. It has cookie crumbs. It's a little hair clip. Alright, well, I need to throw this stuff out because this is gross. That's that for that pocket. I have more hand sanitizer. A quarter. Oh, I have more change in here. There's some more change. I have another sock. My son's socks. And then my watch, which is filled with cookie crumbs. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a quick video. I'm just gonna place everything back in once I clean it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. That was in the diaper bag all over the place, but